Hello everyone, I am Kurt Konda and I will be your instructor for Sociology 110, Principles of Sociology. I want to do this little video for you, kind of introduce myself, put a face to a name, and make it a little more personal being in this class. And I'm also going to give you a quick highlight of the things you need to know for class. This is all in your syllabus and in the introduction materials, but this is kind of the Cliff Notes version, if you will. So, to start out for the class, you need to read the syllabus. Make sure you're aware of all the policies and procedures in class. Make sure you have your text, which is the Tischler book. And you will also need to post an introduction during week 1 to introduce yourself to me and your fellow classmates and kind of get us all off on the same foot and getting to know each other. Each week of class, we will have a series of assignments that are going to repeat every week, with the exception of week 8, which has some final assignments due. Each week, you'll have to do 2 discussion boards. You will post an initial post that is due by Thursday of each week and do 2 follow-up posts to each question. So essentially you're going to have at a bare minimum 3 posts on each question, 1 initial and 2 follow-ups each week. And the follow-ups are due by Sunday. So each week you have 2 of those. You also have a weekly point to ponder paper. This is a paper where I give you a very detailed topic and it will ask you to kind of apply a question, we do some stuff on methods, on research in week 1, and I give you a scenario in which you're going to have to play researcher. So the point to ponder essays are very hands-on and kind of make you to apply the material and play sociologist. So there's not a right or wrong answer to these. I want you to just think about the material and kind of show me what you've learned and show me how you think. So that's how those work. And then there's also a class reflection essay each week in which these serve almost as a formal journal. So you need to write in APA style, cite your sources and that kind of thing, but in terms of what you talk about, it's entirely up to you. I don't want a summary of what we covered or what you read. I want what impacted you, and it can be anything, any single topic. It can be the whole week we covered. If something in the discussion board struck you, if a couple chapters did, if a certain graphic you saw, just whatever struck you that you feel like you want to talk about, that's what I want to see in that paper. So don't summarize, I want reaction. So that's what those do. Those are each week. Then you also have a final paper due at the end of week 8 and a final assessment that is due. So those will be in addition to the weekly assignments, and everything else is on my syllabus. If you have questions that will benefit the entire class, like when things are due, clarifications on things, please use the class questions thread. If you have questions for me about your grade, something personal like missing a book, or something where the answer might not benefit the class, or you simply don't want them to see, then you may email me or message me via my phone, which I've given you on my syllabus. So that's introduction. A little about myself. I am married, have 2 kids, 9-year-old and a 4-year-old. I teach here and a couple JUCOs in Wichita. Been doing this for over a decade now. Love it. It's really fun. And so it's fun to see a new cohort and see you guys learn this material, and I have a great passion for it and for teaching. So it's a good fit. Hope you all have fun in this class, and I look forward to seeing you the next 8 weeks. Thank you and good luck.